Hello students, and today I am going to tell you another trick on algebra and which is very important for competitive exams. Okay, and these type of questions are coming in main exams. Clear? See here, how to do these problems. I am only first of all I am doing the complete theory how to find out, and I am telling the rule, and then we should apply the rule directly. Clear? See here, if x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus plus 2ab. ab means a plus b whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2x into 1 by x. So that means x plus 1 by x whole square will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Clear? X cancel out. Then what is the value of this one? Already I have told you, how to find out this one. Now, what is the value of x plus 1 by x? It will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 and square root of this one. Because whole square is there, so take the square root of this one. Clear? Now, this one will be given. X square plus 1 by x square is given, and you want to find out x plus 1 by x. See here, in my first video on algebra, I have told you, smaller power is given and the square of that you have to find out. If x plus 1 by x is given, then you have to find out x square plus 1 by x square. That means smaller power will be given, each square you have to find out. If x square plus 1 by x square is given, then you have to find out x to the 4 plus 1 by x to the 4. But now it is reverse. It is just opposite. Higher power will be given and you have to find out the lower power. Clear? See here. But see here, I have already told you, if x is given, then you have to find out x square. If x square is given, you have to find out x to the 4. And from x, how to find out x to the 4? First of all, from x you have to find out x square. Then from x square you have to find out x to the 4. Clear? See here. Similarly in the backward process, from x to the 4 you can find out x square. From x square you can find out x. From x square you can find out x, and if it will be x to the 4 you can find out x square. Then from x square you can find out x. So this is the rule. That means if x square plus 1 by x square is alpha which is given, then your rule is x plus 1 by x is equal to alpha plus 2 root over. Clear? Do you understand or not? The given plus 2 square root of this one. So now I am going to tell you these 4 questions. See here, I am writing the formula here. The formula is x plus 1 by x is given as alpha plus 2 root over. Clear? And here alpha is x square plus 1 by x square. Here, the square of this thing, square of this is this one. Okay. Now come to the first question. Square of this one is x to the 4. So you can find out directly. So what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? 47 plus 2. The square root of this one, so it will 49, square root is 7. So this is the answer. Clear? Then come to the second point. So here, x plus 1 by x you have to find out. From x plus 1 by x we can find out, for this one, x square plus 1 by x square should be given. And from that, in the reverse order. And now, from x to the 4 plus 1 by x, see here, I have told you, from x plus 1 by x, we can find out, from x square plus 1 by x square, we can find out x plus 1 by x. From x square plus 1 by x square, we can find out x plus 1 by x. Clear? Similarly, from x to the 4 plus 1 by x to the 4, we can find out x square plus 1 by x square. x to the 4 plus 1 by x square is given, so we can find out by using this formula x square plus 1 by x square. And after getting the value of x square plus 1 by x square, we can find out the value of x plus 1 by x. That will be 2 steps. Clear? See here. First of all, we have to find out x square plus 1 by x square. So what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? 47 plus 2 root over, it will be 49 root over, it is 7. Then the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 7. Now how to find out this one? X plus 1 by x. It will be 7 plus 2 formula. There is no square root of this one. It will be 3. Because 7 plus 2 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Clear? Now, third question. Same type. From x square, we have to find out x. Then from x, we can find out square root of x. Because you are taking the square root. Square root of x square is x. So similarly, square root of x to the 4 is x square. And square root of x square is x. And from the square root of x is root x. Like this. Square root of x square, x to the 4 is x square. And square root of x square is x. And square root of x is this one. Clear? And we have given from this one, and you want to find out root x. There will be 2 steps. First of all, you want to find out this value and this value. See here, I am writing number 3. That means x square is given. You want to find out x, then you want to find out root x. Clear? This is the rule. And how to find out x? 47 is given. So 47 plus 2 root over, which is equal to 9. Sorry, 7. Then 7 plus 2 root over, it is 3. So answer is 3. This one. Clear? Now, how to find out this question? See here, number 4. X to the 4 is given. And from x to the 4 we can find out x square. And from x square we can find out x. X is given. In this way, if you remember, it will be very, very easy. Don't do like this. It will be, if you write like this, it will be very, very easy. 194 plus 2 root over. It is 196. Square root of 196 is 14. Clear? Then 14 plus 2 square root. It will be 16 square root is 4. So answer is 4. Clear? So you should remember just the opposite of my first video on algebra. If x square, x to the 4 is given, you can find out x square, and from x square you can find out x, and from x you can find out square root of x. Clear? So simply remember the tricks and apply. Already I have proved. I have told you in details. Okay. Note it down, the detailed process, and do like this. It will be very, very easy. And perhaps it will take 3 to 4 seconds. Okay. But for that, you have to remember the multiplication table. Because square root of 196 is 14. You have to remember it. Because 14 square is 196. Clear? So, first of all, remember the multiplication table up to 25. Then only you can click in the competitive exam. Okay. This is all about today's class. And do some problems on this type. Clear? And enjoy. Bye bye.